Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with GoDaddy hosting. GoDaddy hosting offers website hosting services for individuals and businesses. Its main purpose is to provide the infrastructure needed to host a website, including storage, bandwidth, and email. Key features often include various hosting plans, shared, VPS, dedicated, website building tools, and email services. Their website provides details on their various plans and features. GoDaddy emphasizes ease of use, particularly for beginners, and offers different pricing tiers to suit different budgets. They advertise competitive pricing, though specific costs vary depending on the chosen plan and features. The technology behind their services is standard web hosting infrastructure, but they focus on making it accessible to users with varying technical skills. Availability is worldwide, and their website allows you to check pricing and plan details for your region. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using GoDaddy hosting. I recently migrated my small business website to GoDaddy's shared hosting plan. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The onboarding process was straightforward, with clear instructions and helpful tutorials. The cPanel interface, while initially a little daunting, became intuitive after a few hours of use. I found managing my files, email accounts, and databases to be pretty smooth. Performance-wise, the website loads quickly, and I haven't experienced any significant downtime. I had a quick question about setting up an SSL certificate, and their support responded within a day via email. The response was helpful and solved my issue. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard became once I got the hang of it. The standout feature for me was definitely the one-click WordPress installation. It saved me a lot of time. One minor drawback was the slightly limited storage space on the basic plan, which might be a problem for larger websites. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with GoDaddy hosting. It's a reliable and user-friendly service that has met my needs effectively. That's my overview of GoDaddy hosting. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.